Hello folks, today I want to show you this light. I really want to share with you and tell you where I get it. So the Costco have those things on sale for $14. They are Duracell Durabeam Ultra, so they do have like two sets of LED. So this is a completely stainless steel polyurethane LED flashlight. It's kind of rugged stainless steel core. Batteries included in this set. Exterior is like polyester, looks like a rubberized, and it has 4 beam settings. Would really show you more of that. We're probably going to open it right now. Again, you can get this from Costco for $13.99. Okay, let's get the puppy open. Okay, there you go. Time to open this thing. So this is what it looks like. That has pretty good sets of strong LED. Made in China. Everything's made in China nowadays. That's pretty handy, to tell you what. It does have tension springs on inside as well. Okay, let's drop this in one by one. Always positive down. And we're gonna screw the thing back in. Okay, now we have to try this on a darker spot. We're probably going to be shoot to my far office. We're going to try one first. Let's get the lights off. I did make it a little bit darker, not too dark. Okay. I like these buttons over here on the back. Oh my gosh. This is a freaking nice. I like this. Let's see if that thing is adjustable. Nope, it is not adjustable. That's probably why they have like a 4 modes. Gosh, I don't know how to explain. It's really bright. Let's go to second position. Which one is it? Oh, this is the light one. Just a little bit of it to save energy. Third one is kind of whitish. I'm pretty sure this will kind of probably last very long. And the last one is blinking all the time. That's nice. So I like that first one. Gosh, it's big. Yeah, it's definitely bright. It's definitely bright. All right, thanks for watching, guys. This was a video for flashlight, and as you can see, it is freaking very bright. Thanks for watching.